That's what we're talking about. I know for a fact that in your mind, staffingpreneur, you're sitting there saying, how do I get the client? How do I get the facilities to give me contracts if you're a healthcare staffing agency? If you are not, you're like, how do I get the client? And I want to talk to you about this. I have a Strengthening Your Sales workshop / live course coming up, and I want you to go to this course because this is a question I get all the time. When I say all the time, I mean all the time. And I want to answer that question for you. There are things that you're supposed to do in your business every day as a niche recruitment and staffing agency, but if you don't have sales strategies as a backup, as a cushion, you're really 10 steps behind your competitors and you leave yourself at a disadvantage. So take a moment, join the course below, and let's get started.